wish you had a power bank that could just magnetize to the back of your phone? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the YUMGOOD magnetic power bank. That's right, these are power banks that can magnetize to the back of your phone, and they wirelessly charge. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. We're going to take a look at these YUMGOOD magnetic power banks right here. So we've got two of them. They are of different sizes. We've got a 5K and a 10K mAh battery bank right here. But this is the packaging on them. Looks very nice, very simplified. Let's open them up. One of the first things you see in the box is this quick start guide right here. Just gives you some additional information on the ports and everything and how to turn it on and how to charge the device. Very, very nice. Even got that warranty listed on here. Very cool. Both of the power banks do come with these little wristbands right here, carrying bands. Very simple to set up. You're just going to run that through the hole, then wrap it around itself and pull it tight, and it'll be good to go. But just to demonstrate something, the wristband is also a USB-C cable. Tell me that's not awesome. Look at that, USB-C to C. Kind of pop it in there, pop it into place, do the same thing on this side, and voila. You've got a little wristband right there. Tell me that's that awesome. Very, very smart, very cool. These are both the power banks right here, so you'll be able to see they look about the same size, but thickness, they are different. This is the 5K, this is the 10K, so of course the 10K is going to be a little bigger, and the 5K is going to be very nice and slim. Very, very cool. Right here on the bottom, we've got our USB-C ports. These can be used to charge up the device, but also to charge other devices. So these are input and output. And then we've got a little power button right here, showing you what that looks like. You just hold the button down, and good to go. Very, very nice. And if you want to power them off, you're just going to two-tap the buttons here, and they'll instantly turn off. Very, very awesome. So this is the YUMGOOD So these are the YUMGOOD magnetic power banks. Let's go ahead and try them out. This is the YUMGOOD magnetic power bank. Thin and compact design. This power bank is ultra slim and pocket friendly at just 0.3 inches and 4 ounces. It's YUMGOOD's slimmest power bank today, and it slides effortlessly into pockets or small bags. Take it anywhere, work, hiking, or flights. Guess what? It's FAA compliant. Right now this power bank comes in two different sizes, in a 5K and in a 10K. There's a little bit of a size difference there, but double the power. With the power indicator lights, there are 4 lights that represent the percentages of the battery. So one light is about 25%, 2 lights is 26 to 50%, 3 lights is 51 to 75%, and 4 lights is 76 to 100%. So you always have peace of mind on how much power you have left. With the strong magnetic attachment, you can securely snap this magnetic power bank to your phone or to your mag case, so there's no slipping during charging. Freely take selfies or video calls while powered up. It works perfect with MagSafe phones and magnetic cases, allowing you to wirelessly charge on the go. This phone works perfect with all kinds of different phones, including iPhone and Android phones. Just simply plug it up or wirelessly charge it. Speaking of wirelessly charge, it's got 15 watts of wireless and 20 watts of wired fast charging. Charge 2 devices simultaneously, 15 watts on the magnetic wireless for an iPhone or an Android phone, and 20 watts of USB-C PD fast charging for a second device. And it's got advanced safety protection, so it features a built-in safeguards and their multi-protect system to shield the devices from overheating, overcharging, and excessive current, so you can charge with confidence. And when it comes to powering this device, it has an 18-watt input device for charging it, a 20-watt wired output device, and a 15-watt wireless, so you have the speed when you need it. YUMGOOD, this thing is awesome, it's super easy to use, and just keeps you always on the go. Great job. This is our first time working with YUMGOOD, and I gotta say, these things are awesome. We've reviewed a lot of power banks in the past, but these are some of the first ones we've ever reviewed that magnetize to the back of your case and wirelessly charge. It's a smart idea. We want to give a huge shout out to YUMGOOD for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.